Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the best price mattress new Innovated box spring metal bed frame, Queen, 14-inch. This all-in-one mattress support system is designed to replace your old frame and box spring, offering a seamless and sturdy solution for your bedroom. With its super strong 100% steel construction, this bed frame ensures durability and stability, providing you with a restful night's sleep. One of the standout features is its 14-inch height, which not only elevates your mattress but also offers ample storage space underneath, perfect for maximizing your room's organization. The best part? It's incredibly easy to assemble in just minutes, with no tools required, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or setting up a new space, this innovative bed frame is a game-changer. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.